Hey guys, we're going on the Cartecay River today up in Ellijay, Georgia, and I'm super excited, also a little bit nervous. He told me there was class 2, class 3 rapids, so we're gonna have fun. We'll see how it goes.
So we just arrived at the put-in for the Cartecay River, and we found out kind of the hard way that if you go to the GPS location listed on Google for the Cartecay River Experience, it's technically the takeout. So once you get there, they've got some signs, which I'll drop here in the video, showing you how to get here. About 5 more minutes, but this is where you put in, and we're about to hit the river, so I'll let you guys know how it is. So here we are on the river, and it's Ashton, and we have done just a little bit. We've got about 10-20 minutes into the river. There's definitely some people here doing some whitewater practice, and they've mentioned a couple spots to just, you know, give us some tips. But also, there's a lot of tubers on the river, so I'm not sure if they take out sooner than us or after, but yeah, so far so good. Just a couple little bumps and fun paddle.
I'm falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter. I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes. Down deep and under, we're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let really care. We're all of our demons, they never disappear. I will forgive you if you've forgiven me. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it every time I look at you. You pull me back into your river, swim a little deeper. I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. Like the others, they do not need to know. You said you fall with me, no matter how deep it goes. With my head underwater.
Here we are halfway down the Cartecay. What you think so far, Ashton?
It's a lot of fun, lots of rapids, lots of cool places. Definitely different than the Chesapeake, less floating, more rapids, more fun, more adventure, more adrenaline, but a lot of arm work. My arms are already sore.
So there you have it.
You want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. You miss the ones you know. I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our minds that turn to memories. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone. Hey, I was hoping you would stay, but I've always known you would go.
There you go, wasn't bad at all, right? I know you were.
I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, to feel the wind and watch the river run. And the sun would always shine when we sat there, you and I. The river's gonna cry when you're gone, heard you want to leave this place where we grew up, this old town, just leave it all behind.
All right, guys, so we just finished the Cartecay River. I think it's the lower portion up here, and it was a fun trip. It started raining on us towards the end, like you can see in the video. And the last spot was definitely a class 3 rapid. I mean, it dropped 5-6 feet over and over through some pretty good stuff. There was definitely a little bit of a hydraulic in a spot or two. And so in my opinion, if you kayak this river, I would definitely suggest bringing skirts, kayaks with skirts. Because if you bring a sit-in kayak and you get to the end, there's no way that kayak's not gonna be full of water. So we had a great trip, we enjoyed it. It was a fun experience, learned a lot, but we definitely, at the very end, had to flip the kayaks and bail some water out of them, because I mean, we were pretty much swimming in them.